Well, joining us on the line right now is Senior Vice President, Head of Marketing and Wealth Advisory Mutual and Private Fund Business, Tisco Asset Management Company Limited, คุณสารัตน์ ชัดสุวรรณ Welcome to the show.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ คุณสารัตน์ as the SET index has climbed to 1,100 and is set to rise further to 1,150, as well as having the target of 1,200. What is your investment strategy to the clients? Has the market been overbought?
Actually, we're still bullish on the Thai economy, which this year we expect to grow around 4 to 5%, and next year going to be grow at this level, same level. But looking to the Thai stock market, actually we have set the index target at 1,200 at the beginning of this year, and now the index has climbed to above 11,000 right now, and gonna approach 1150 in the near term. But at this level, I think is quite a little bit expensive in terms of PE ratio. If we see the PE ratio for the Thai market, we use earning this year, 2011, PE is now 13 times. If we take a look at the historical average for the Thai market, is 13 times, and is on average for the historical.
That's right.
But the target is 14 times. It's quite expensive right now. So upside return for the Thai market is now less than 5%. It's not, we think it's not justified for the risk taken for the stock market. So we recommend our clients to looking for shift their investment from Thai market to other market that may provide more upside return.
Okay, so you have recommended them to shift their investment to the overseas market, especially in the U.S. and Chinese stock markets.
Yes, right now we like Chinese market and the U.S. market.
What are the underlying reasons?
For the U.S. market, is quite a turnaround story after the hamburger crisis in 2008. And the U.S. economy has recovered gradually and show sign of improvement clearly. And what we see is the weakest part of the U.S. economy, which is the labor market and the housing market, has been improving quite good recently. So, and right now the in terms of valuation for the U.S. market is not that cheap compared with the historical average of PE ratio. Yes.
Well, between yes, please continue.
And we expect the return from the U.S. market from the current level. The current level is for the S&P 500 is about 1,300.
That's right.
So we expect the target is about 1,600. Which is PE about PE target about 15 times. So it's not that expensive compared with Thailand.
Okay. So what would be more popular between U.S. and China? Which one is more attractive, and can you compare the performance to the other mutual funds investing in the Thai SET index?
Yes, actually, our topic is the China market because we expect more upside from China. China is investor has much concern on inflation and housing bubble, and we expect that the second half of this year inflation concerns gonna be subside, and in terms of valuation for the China market is the cheapest in the region. Yes, the PE right now is only about 10 to 11 times, even cheaper than Thailand.
Right.
So if we set the target about PE about 14 times, equal to historical average, so the upside return for the China market is about 30%.
That's a huge number.
Yes, much more than U.S. market.
Right.
Yes, so our topic is China market, and the second topic is US market.
Okay, thank you very much, Kun Sarat, for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was Kun Sarat Chatsuwan
from Tesco Asset Management.
What is the role of the Eastern Tiger Studies? When we come back, we will ask Kun Suthishayun and Kun Tunsuthit Thaptim.